Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to see how to change the background of a photo in a minute. Using photoleap application. You can download photoleap app from Play Store for free. You have to pay to use premium functions. Don't worry, I have pinned the pro version of this application in the comment section. You can download it from there. So let's jump into the tutorial. First, open the photoleap application. After opening the app, you can see an interface like this. Now select a background option. It has a lot of AI options, but what we're going to look at now is how to change background using artificial intelligence. Select a photo that you want to change background. It automatically cut the subject and generate new background for your photo. There are a lot of background scenes available, so you can try using each one. Look at how beautiful a background is generated. Now let's look how to add custom AI generated background. Click on the Custom button. Then, describe the transformation you want to make.
Hold my breath before I die.
Here, I'm using a simple prompt, but you can make it better by explaining every details.
It's funny how sometimes we need to lose our way to find our home. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue in the time, no reason to be so subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines. I'm chasing you.
Now, we successfully changed the background. Press Save to save the image to your gallery. How professional does this photo look? You can also edit the photos so easily. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.